How to create Gmail account. Go to the Gmail website, open your Click on Create Account on the Gmail homepage, click on the Create. Fill in your information, first name and last name, enter your name. Username, choose your desired email address, for example, yourname@gmail.com. If your preferred user. Password, create a strong password and confirm it. 4. Click Next after filling in your information, click the Next button. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in more information, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.